The Khan family has been in a Tosha Khana case against Imran Khan since 2014. The case involves the distribution of funds and assets belonging to the Khan family among Imran and his brother. At the heart of the dispute is the question of who would control the family's land, income, and wealth. Imran has argued that as the eldest surviving son, he should retain the majority of control. Imran's brother disagrees and believes that the division should be more equal. The matter is being heard in the Zamin Commission, a court that deals with estate issues. The Khan family has already requested for 6 adjournments of the case. However, a resolution is yet to be reached. Imran and his brother have been urged to reach a consensus and come to an agreement. The Tosha Khana case revolves around the question of what kind of financial control Imran would have over the family assets and legacy. He has insisted that he should be given the lion's share of the family's estate. At the opposite end of the spectrum are his brother and the Khan family, who insist that Imran should not be given the reins and that a more equal distribution should occur. The court proceedings are being watched closely by Imran's supporters, who insist that, as the eldest male relative, he should retain control over the family assets. Those opposed to Imran's point of view also scrutinize the proceedings with a critical eye, as they fear it may embolden him to maintain his autocratic rule over the family. The Khan family has offered various solutions to break the stalemate between Imran and his brother. In one instance, they proposed a 50-50 split, with Imran retaining control over the majority of the family's estate. The court proceedings have been going on for several years now without any resolution in sight. The court has also refused to grant the Khan family additional adjournments, citing the length of the proceedings. Imran and his brother have both suggested various solutions to break the stalemate. However, all attempts have unsuccessfully. The case has come perilously close to a judicial resolution. However, matters remain unresolved. The prolonged court proceedings have taken a toll on the Khan family, who are desperate to find a resolution to the Tosha Khana case. The family is worried that if the case is dragged out any longer, it will create a permanent rift in the family. The court has been urged to be diligent in its resolution of this case, as it has become an issue of utmost importance to tenaciously uphold convention in cases such as these. It is also hoped that the case will serve as an example for similar cases in the future, particularly those involving disputes over the distribution of family wealth. There have been numerous attempts to find a middle ground between Imran and his brother. Imran has consented to some of the conditions proposed by his brother. However, he still insists on obtaining the majority of the family assets. The court is expected to make a ruling in the near future, and hopes are high that a resolution will finally be achieved. It is feared, however, that whichever way the court rules, it will likely make matters worse and lead to further contention between the two parties. The question of who controls the family's estate has become one of the most talked about legal cases in the country, and many are watching closely to see what the outcome of the case will be. Imran Khan has been portrayed in a negative light throughout this entire process, with some even suggesting that he has been manipulating the court proceedings in order to gain control over the family's assets. The Khan family has continued to remain optimistic throughout the case, believing that a resolution will eventually be reached. They have asked both parties to exercise restraint before the outcome is determined. The court has even gone so far as to suggest that both parties seek counsel, in order to reach a mutual agreement. Imran Khan, however, has refused to seek counsel, insisting that the court recognize his right to control the family's assets. The Tosha Khana case has become increasingly controversial, with many influential people weighing in on the matter. It has been widely discussed throughout the country, and various solutions have been proposed to reach a resolution. It is clear that the court is doing all it can to resolve this issue. However, if no consensus is reached, then the court will be forced to make a ruling on the matter. The court proceedings have already taken a considerable amount of time and have drawn a lot of attention from the public. Unfortunately, it is likely that the proceedings will become even more public if the court has to make a ruling. At this point, it would not be surprising if the matter were to become a national debate. Imran Khan's supporters will likely continue to rally in his favor, while his opponents continue to criticize him for his alleged attempts to gain control over the family's assets. Although the Khan family has been hoping for a resolution for some time now, it seems that a resolution will likely remain elusive for the foreseeable future. It remains to be seen how this case will proceed.